Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk through how to set up Visual Studio Code to develop the FC application. So from Visual Studio Code, let's go ahead and install the extension that I created. The extension is called FC Code. And we're going to go ahead and select and hit install. All right, once the extension is installed, let's go ahead and open an empty folder. And then from here, let's go ahead and walk through the setup. So here we're gonna do FC setup. First, we're gonna input in the instance URL. Hit enter, and then add in the username. And then lastly, let's go ahead and input in the password. And then that's it. Basically now the credential is set up. From here, let's go ahead and we are going to pull down all the script includes as well as the pages for FC into VS Code. So as you can see here, it basically pulled down all the pages. And then if we look inside each of the page, so let's look at the home page, we can see that we have the server script, the client script, the CSS, as well as the HTML template. So from here, let's go ahead and we can go ahead and edit this, and then we can hit save. When we're ready, we can go ahead and push this back to ServiceNow. And then let's go to the front end and then let's check this out. So you can see that our changes reflect in ServiceNow. Let me go ahead and undo this. There's a couple of commands that comes with this extension that allow you to create a new script include as well. And this basically follow the repository pattern of designing script includes for the FC application. Here I'm going to go ahead. Let's say we want a repository for the incident table. In here, I can go ahead and put in the name of the script include. And then here we have two choices, whether it's a repository or a utility. I'm going to go ahead and select repository. Here, I'm going to, because it's an incident repository, I'm going to map that to the incident table. And then hit enter. As you can see here, it basically bootstrap a script include for me. This script include already inherit from the FC repository, which is the base class. It set the module name as well as the incident table here. So from here, our script includes are following the same pattern, and we don't have to copy and paste manually like we normally do in ServiceNow.